How much was this, Tanya?
It was 600, and then he got 200 free. So
800?
800.
When are you guys lighting it off?
And you look cute. Hey.
Next year.
But if I had a camera to you, you look really awkward.
There's ghosts in the house.
You pull my hair out.
Did you hear that?
We're doing this one first?
Yeah, I don't know what I don't know.
Get back! Oh, get back!
I don't know what it's gonna do. Oh, what the? Wow. That's how you drop money. You just walk off and you're like, ah, that's good.
Hey, Trevor, can I get some gloves? Can I catch it, please?
What the heck, man? We all walked away from it. It's the best
What's up,
hoodie in the
baby?
world.
It's your boy 2 Bottle Rockets here.
Alright, what are we doing? What are we doing?
We're gonna light 2 Bottle Rockets.
Yeah.
People are watching me. I'm scared. Hey, hold it in your hands.
Lightly.
How do you do this?
Light. Let go.
Oh god. Oh!
Oh, I totally didn't even record that. Sorry.
You did it though. You got it. You got it.
Do it. 3, 2, 1, go, baby, go.
You did it at the same time.
That was nice.
I'm so scared.
Whoa! Dude, that thing's on fire. How do you stop it? I don't want to ruin my J's.
Oh, hello.
Matt, this one's on fire. Can you stop that real quick?
I have nice shoes on.
I have nice shoes. Dude, who doesn't have nice shoes? We need to kick this fire out.
I got Vans, homie.
Yo, what you doing? What you doing? With that model face.
Oh, are you recording?
Alright, what we got here? What we got here?
We got the good Galifianakis shit. It's that Ethan Tremblay.
So loud.
You have to like root it in the ground?
Don't point the house. Just say that.
Alright, where's the fuse?
It's gone deep.
It's probably under the thing called.
There it is.
Oh my god!
Oh, we found the egg hole.
What? No, homie, that's gonna light immediately.
What? It's cold as hell, dude.
Dude, you need to put shoes on. What are you doing?
You need to go put shoes on. What are you talking about?
Stepmom's shoes on.
Are you the thing? Or is it me?
Put you in that junkie.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, it's going. Oh, it's gonna go fast.
Go, baby, go. Go, look out. What's gonna happen?
What? What? I got crap in my eye.
Oh!
Wizards of Waverly Place. Y'all ready?
You can.
Hocus pocus.
Your speech is so slowed.
Oh. I lost my power! I lost my power.
Run!
We're never gonna make it in time.
Dang, that hurt me. Ow!
That one was the best.
$3!
Is this burning?
Yeah, bitch.
What?
Stop laughing.
This is like a already burnt fucking sprinkler.
Sprinkler?
What up? Hey, what up?
I have firework.
Now you just fully committed to the voice.
I shall give it to gods.
Oh my god.
Get it, Dakin.
Dakin. Oh my god.
It's cold.
Saturdays for the boys and Gandalf.
We're hitting the small head.
My back!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess 11, 12, 13.
13, 12, 11.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Light it! Yeah! Get out! Where do you go? I got that shot, Trevin. That was so awesome. That was awesome, dude. Alright guys, Happy New Year. I don't know if this is going out, but yeah, 2018, let's make it a good one.
I want to thank Patrice for helping me through my guitar solos. I appreciate that. See you next year.